you also can be the part of the class. So this is our target 40-40 for SA1, and now your examinations, the PD2 is there tomorrow, so we will be conducting this quiz. There will be 5 questions and also some extra questions will be there of this chapter, which you can see here, human eye and colorful world. Okay, so the index here already is discussed already, but still I just want to give you some highlights here. So human eye part is deleted. Okay, you all know the human eye part, which we have studied in this school, is deleted. Now refraction of light through glass prism is the first point, where two things are mainly and important: angle of deviation and prism and angle of prism. These are the 2 points. So I have segregated the topic in such a way that it is having 4 parts, and there are these sub parts also. So like recombination of a spectrum of white light, Newton experiment, where Newton did taken 2 prisms. One is the top was here and another top was just bottom to the first one. Another is recombination of a spectrum, जिस तरीके से न्यूटन ने किया हुआ था. He threw the white light here in this side also, got the white light again. After that, total internal reflection and critical angle is also very important in this chapter. Other than that, rainbow formation किस तरीके से होता है, इससे भी related आज कुछ questions आपको देखने को मिलेंगे, और examinations में भी ये कुछ important part हैं. जैसे if I talk about rainbow formation, twinkling of stars, and also your why sky appears blue. So these are there are several reasoning questions. Okay, but out of them these 4 and 5 are very important. Okay, so let us start the class without wasting our time. We also have discussed the index so far. So the first question there in your screen is, sunset is red. Okay, listen the question carefully. Manya, if you haven't joined, just join. The class code is above visible. It is saying that the time light coming from the sun has to travel lesser thickness of Earth's atmosphere, greater thickness of Earth's atmosphere, varying thickness of Earth's atmosphere, and the last point is along the horizon. Okay, these are the 4 points, and the question is so clear. Sunset is red because. So the rule of the quiz will be 1 minute will be given to you. You have to decide it what will be the right option. So here we go. So you all, the 4 students, can give and show your response. We will discuss about it. Now it is only 10 seconds and I can see like 3 students have given their answers also. Okay. Four of you have given the answer, and that's considerable. Very nice. Okay, let us see the answer of yours. Wow, such a nice preparation by you all, and the 4 of you have given the same answer, which is B. Okay, sunset is red because, and it is red because greater thickness of Earth on atmosphere. So let us just wait for 5 seconds, and after that you will be able to see the right answer. 3, 2, 1, and here the right option is B. Wonderful all of you. Vanshika, Dakshita, Khushi and Duleshwar, you are getting complete full marks, but इसमें भी depend करता है किसने fast answer दिया है. So Vanshika has given the answer immediately, so she is getting 1000 points here. After that, Dakshita, Khushi and Duleshwar. So you all have right answer, there is no problem, but it also checks the accuracy. This is what the wonderful thing about this software. Okay, hope you all have understood. If you want, I can discuss about it also. So here is the discussion explanation. Option B is correct. Why? The sun appears red at sunset because at the time the sun is near the horizon, and therefore sunlight has to travel through a great thickness of Earth's atmosphere. तो होता क्या है यहाँ पे? It is like the positioning of sun. Okay, let me make 1 sun, 2 sun and 3 sun. We do have 1 sun, but we are making the different type of positions of our sun. Okay. Now this is our earth, suppose, and this distance, you know, is smaller than this distance, so this is greater. अब क्या होता है कि जब यहाँ से वेवलेंथ जो होती हैं या लाइट होता है वो वाइट लाइट आता है, बट क्योंकि डिस्टेंस ये ज़्यादा होता है, थोड़ा सा मैं इसको और दूर में बना देता हूँ यहाँ पे, तो इसका डिस्टेंस काफ़ी ज़्यादा होता है इसके कंपैरिजन में. तो जो लाइट आती है वाइट लाइट ना, उसमें सारी जितने भी 7 कलर्स होते हैं उसमें जो रेड होता है उसकी इंटेंसिटी काफ़ी ज़्यादा होती है, वेवलेंथ कहते हैं हम उसका, बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. इसीलिए इट कैन ट्रेवल without any distraction to earth, and the sun appears reddish in color. But when it is on the top, जब यहाँ से ये sun उठ के आया, this is morning, good morning, and this is good afternoon. तो यहाँ पे आफ्टरनून में क्या होता है, हॉरिजन के जस्ट टॉप पे होता है ये, तो डिस्टेंस कम होता है, इसीलिए बहुत ज़्यादा उसमें डेविएशंस नहीं होते, स्प्लिटिंग्स नहीं होती, स्कैटरिंग नहीं होती. तो जो वाइट लाइट सन से निकलती है वो आपको दिखाई देती है, इसीलिए दोपहर में जो सन होता है वो किस कलर का दिखता है, वाइट कलर का दिखता है. होप दिस इज ऑल एंड ऑल क्लियर टू यू. ओके, इट इज वंडरफुल रिस्पॉन्स. लेट अस गो बैक टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Question number 2 says, at noon the suns appear white. The same question. Light is least scattered. All the colors of white light are scattered away. Blue color is scattered the most. Red color is scattered the most. Now the option are there in front of you. You have to decide. And now the quiz is also started. And immediately in 2 seconds, one of the student of yours has given the answer. The second also have given the right answer here. And let me check other students are also thinking about it कि दोपहर के समय पे आफ्टरनून में जो सन है ये वाइट क्यों अपीयर करता है. देयर आर 4 फैंटास्टिक रीजंस, A, B, C, D. 1 is right, 3 are wrong. Just think about it and tell me the answer. So such a nice participation by you all 4 students, and the other student, those who would be able to see our YouTube live streaming, to them also I am very happy for these students. Immediately they have given the answer, and let us see the scenario. The scenario is even more interesting. So 2 of you are in the favor of A and others 2 are in the favor of B. Let us see their name. Vanshika and Dakshita thinks that A should be the right answer, and here Duleshwar and Khushi feels that the B is the right option. So let us check who is right and who is wrong. एक बार दोनों answers पढ़ लेते हैं. Noon the sun appears white as light is least scattered. ठीक है, all the colors of white light are scattered away. अगर scattered away हो जाएगा white light का तो फिर कैसे होगा. So right option is A. Duleshwar and Khushi, it is not the right option which you have given. क्योंकि साफ साफ देखो ना क्या दिखाई दे रहा है आपको, क्या लिख रहा है इसमें, all the colors of white light are scattered away. ये अभी white light के जितने भी colors हैं सब scattered हो जाएंगे तो आपको तो sun black hole दिखना चाहिए ना, then the sun would appear like black hole. Yes or no? So अगर आपको समझ में आ गया खुशी एंड दुलेश्वर, write in the comment section yes sir. Kindly write it down so that I could be able to understand. Yeah, it was my mistake. Okay. And this one mistake actually takes you to the down position. Vanshika is scoring 2000 points and Dakshita is the next 1469 points. Great. Now the next the explanation also we will be able to see now. And here explanation is at noon the sun appears white because the light from the sun is directly overhead. है ना, जो मैंने अभी इसके पहले एक्सप्लेन किया था, है ना. सो होता क्या है, ओवरहेड होता है. दिस इज योर सन एंड दिस इज योर अर्थ, और डिस्टेंस बहुत कम होता है इसीलिए डायरेक्ट लाइट आ जाती है, लीस्ट स्कैटर्ड होता है. ट्रेवल रिलेटिवली शॉर्टर डिस्टेंस, इसकी बात हो रही थी. द सन अपीयर्स वाइट एज ओनली अ लिटिल ऑफ द ब्लू एंड वायलेट कलर्स आर स्कैटर्ड. बहुत कम स्कैटरिंग होती है एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट लुक्स वाइट. ओके, सो आई कैन रीड द कमेंट सेक्शंस ऑल्सो. आप लोग यहाँ पे कुछ भी क्वेश्चन आंसर कर सकते हो, ठीक है ना. Khushi and Duleshwar, all of you. Let us go to the question number 3, all of you, and the question number 3 says, the sky appears blue because, this is also one of the very interesting facts, some of the blue components of sunlight is scattered by gas molecules present in the air, dust particle present in the air, water droplets suspended in air, soot particles present in air. Just think about it, the right answer, and tell me. Your time starts now. This is the 1 minute time you will be getting, and here students started giving their answer. I am very happy to see the way they are giving the answer quickly. So here 3 of you have given the answer, and let us check who is right. Waiting for the 4th one. The 4th student is yet to come with his or her answer. It is all in all suspense. So we'll check that. Let us read, all of you. It's very important and a nice question. Which is that that component जिसके कारण ये blue दिखाई देता है हमें? Gas molecules, dust particle, water droplet, or soot particle. What is this soot particle all about? I don't know. But yeah, the fourth student also has given the answer, and let us see the scoreboard. Very much amazed to see this scoreboard, that all of you are believing that the dust particle is the right answer, and here Khushi, Vanshika, Dakshita and Duleshwar, all of you. The right answer is gas particles, my dear students. This is the right option. And if you feel that there is some, because all of you strongly think that it's a dust particle because of which it happens, but according to the answer sheet, gas molecule present in the air is better in comparison to dust particle, so we would go with option A. If you have any doubt and discussion, sir, in Vanshika is writing, sir, in S. Shan, it's written dust particle. Okay, we will reconsider it. We will definitely discuss in detail about this after this class. Okay, we will discuss, and I will be having, because just I have taken these MCQs from a very authentic source, and there it was written like the option A. So let us read the discussion also, and before that let me check the leaderboard. So leaderboard would be as follows: Vanshika, Dakshita, Khushi and Duleshwar as it is, and here the explanation. The sky appears blue because some of the blue components of sunlight is scattered by gas molecules, and the gas molecules name is also given here. So I feel that it is going to add something in your अंडरस्टैंडिंग. नाइट्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन ये 2 होते हैं जो गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं और जिनसे स्कैटरिंग होती है सनलाइट की, विच इज प्रेजेंट इन एयर. सो इट इज अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑथेंटिक सोर्स फ्रॉम वेयर आई हैव टेकन द MCQs. Okay, but if Vanshika feels that, or other of 4 of you are feeling that the B option should be right, so I will discuss about it after this class in detail, because it is the quiz going on. So that's it. Okay, question number 4 is also in front of you. Twinkling of a star is due to atmospheric. Now I'm not going to read these answers, you have to read and think. Immediately one answer has come. Such a nice students you all, huh? Understanding the gravity of this quiz. So within 10 seconds, 3 options, 3 students have come up with their answers, waiting for the 4th. Okay, just 30 seconds. Twinkling of a star happens because of dispersion, refraction, scattering or internal reflection. 4 of you have given the answer, and this time all of you believes that again the same situation. ऐसा लग रहा है इतिहास अपने आप को दोहरा रहा है यहाँ पे, है ना? So 4 of you are as follows: Khushi, Dakshita, Vanshika and Duleshwar are in the favor of B option, and the B option is refraction of light by different layers varying refractive indexes, and the right option is B. Let us check the leaderboard. Leaderboard is as same as that only, and with that let us go to the explanation wala part. Here is the huge explanation written, you all can read one by one. है ना। द ट्विंकलिंग ऑफ स्टार इज ड्यू टू एटमॉस्फेरिक रिफ्रैक्शन, ये इसका रीज़न होता है। जो लोग इस यूट्यूब लाइव के बाद भी इस लेक्चर को देख रहे होंगे बहुत ध्यान से पढ़िएगा, क्योंकि ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट है इस पूरे चैप्टर का। अगर आप लोगों ने इस चैप्टर की जो मैंने वीडियो बना रखी है फुल लेंथ की एक MCQs वीडियो बनाई हुई है यूट्यूब पे, इसकी जो लिंक है मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे दे दूंगा, सो यू जस्ट चेक देयर एंड आई हैव डिजाइंड सच अ नाइस प्लेलिस्ट इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल, आप वहाँ पे जा करके देख सकते हो। आफ्टर दैट इट इज सेइंग दैट दीज लाइट्स ऑन एंटरिंग द अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर अंडरगोज रिफ्रैक्शन, ठीक है, कंटिन्यूअस बिफोर इट रीचेस टू द अर्थ, कंटिन्यूअस रिफ्रैक्शन होता है। The path of rays of light coming from distant star, बहुत दूर से स्टार से आता होता है ये, goes on varying slightly, अलग अलग तरीके से, कभी कभी उसकी डेंसिटी वेरी करती है, कभी कभी उसका एटमॉस्फेयर अलग अलग जगह का वेरी करता है। द apparent position of the star fluctuates, यहाँ पे एक्चुअल जो पोजीशन होती है वो फ्लक्चुएट करता रहता है थोड़ी थोड़ी देर में, हाँ। एंड द अमाउंट ऑफ स्टार लाइट एंटरिंग द आई फ्लिकर्स, द स्टार समटाइम्स अपीयर ब्राइटर, on the other time it becomes not very much brighter but dull, कभी कभी ये बहुत ब्राइट दिखाई देने लगता है और कभी कभी उतना ब्राइट नहीं दिखाई देता है। ये रीज़न कम्प्लीटली मैंने एक वीडियो सेपरेटली बनाई हुई है इस पूरे MCQs पे, वहाँ पे काफ़ी अच्छे से इन कॉन्सेप्ट्स को डिस्कस किया, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ विच ओनली यू ऑल आर एबल टू गिविंग द राइट ऑप्शंस। विद दैट वी हैव डन विद 4 आंसर्स। अभी देखना क्या है, द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, और उसके बाद कुछ 2 एडवांस क्वेश्चंस हैं, एडवांस मीन्स एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस यू कैन जस्ट से, एंड दिस इज द 5th क्वेश्चन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू ऑल। द स्टार्स ट्विंकल बट प्लैनेट्स डू नॉट ट्विंकल एट नाइट, प्लैनेट्स ट्विंकल नहीं करते हैं, क्या रीजन है इसका? यहाँ पे 4 रीजंस हैं। द स्टार्स आर स्मॉल बट प्लैनेट्स आर लार्ज, द स्टार्स आर वेरी लार्ज बट प्लैनेट्स आर स्मॉल, the stars are much nearer but planets are far off, the stars are far off but planets are nearer to the earth. These are the 4 options of this particular question number 5. I'm just starting and this is where you can give the answer immediately in 1-2 seconds. You all have understood this because tomorrow is your examination and I can feel and very strongly say that you all have prepared well. Wonderful, fantastic. तो 3 बच्चों ने यहाँ पे आंसर दे दिया है, वेटिंग फॉर द 4th वन। पढ़ लीजिए आराम से और उसके बाद आंसर दीजिएगा, ठीक है। राइट आंसर इज ऑलवेज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। इसके बाद हम लीडर बोर्ड में एक कंप्लीट टेबल बना करके आई विल शो यू दैट हु हैज गिवन हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चंस, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव अटेंडेड द क्वेश्चन, एवरीथिंग विल बी डिस्कस्ड देयर। वेटिंग फॉर द 4th स्टूडेंट हियर। ये भी क्वेश्चन क्लास में डिस्कस हो चुका है, ठीक है, ओके। 4, 3, 2, 1 skip. So because of some reason, oh, such a dynamic answer sheet, such a dynamic leaderboard. Some of you think that B is the right option. Let me just tell you what is the right option. And here it is D. D is stars are far off but planets are nearer to earth, ठीक है, ये रीजन होता है। देखते हैं किसका सही है। एंड हियर वंशिका इज द राइट, और इस बार ये स्कोर करने वाली है टॉप 1 रैंकिंग में। सो शी इज गोइंग टू रैंक फर्स्ट obviously, but others also has given, Dakshita is given the C option and B by Khushi. Unfortunately your logic was not that much correct, but it's good that you tried this new type of question. Okay, let us read it. Option D is right. Star twinkles because they are far off. बहुत दूर होते हैं वो, और जो planets होते हैं ना वो पास में होते हैं। The planet do not twinkle at night because they are nearer to earth. अब जब दूर होते हैं तो वहाँ से जो लाइट आती है वो कभी कुछ ज़्यादा आ जाती है इंटेंसिटी में और कई बार कभी कुछ कम आती है ना। वो एग्जांपल दिया था मैंने 5 लाइट्स को लेकर के कि 3 लाइट्स ही आ रही हैं तो स्टार डल दिखेगा, 5 की 5 लाइट्स आ रही हैं तो ब्राइटर दिखेगा। बट प्लैनेट्स तो होते हैं पास पास में, तो उनकी लाइट्स, जैसे सन की बात हो रही थी ना अभी, उसी एग्जाम्पल से समझो, जब सन वाइट दिखाई देता है कब, जब वो पास में होता है, मीन्स स्कैटरिंग हुई ही नहीं, कंप्लीट वाइट लाइट जो यहाँ पे थी वो यहाँ पे आकर के मिल गई आप लोगों को। एंड जब ये दूर होता है हॉरिजन में तो ये यहाँ पे एक ही लाइट दिखती है उसको, दैट इज़ रेड लाइट, जिसकी इंटेंसिटी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. So I hope you understood. Vanshika and Khushi, kindly write down in chat box if you have understood it. If you want more discussion, just write down your opinion about this question. I'm just waiting for your answer in the chat box. And with that, this is the time. We have finished 5 questions. Vanshika is saying okay sir. Others are also just tell me the right answer. So this is all and all about the leaderboard, and here you all can see Vanshika is scoring, and now it is the time when we will see the table. Okay, and this is the table, all of you just watch it carefully. This is your report card, we can say, and you can zoom it also if you feel. So this is all and all about your report sheet. It is saying that Vanshika did the question number 3 wrong, else than that everything was right, so she is scoring 80%. Dakshita did 2 question wrong, which is question number 3. सभी ने गलत किया था. एक्चुअली ये गलत है कि नहीं, इस पे डिस्कशन होना बाकी है. डस्ट पार्टिकल्स थे या फिर वो गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स थे, नाइट्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन, उस पर भी हम बात करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे दक्षता का जो है वो ऑप्शन सी पे जा रहा है. अदर देन दैट खुशी ने क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 एंड 5 एंड 3 यहाँ पे इनकरेक्ट हुआ है, एंड दुलेश्वर ने लास्ट क्वेश्चन अटैम्प्ट ही नहीं किया. सो विद दैट यू ऑल कैन सी इट, and if you want this presentation, in the description box or either personally I will be sending this. So this is how all of you have seen this. explanation भी देख लिया है हम लोगों ने. After that we will discuss this, और इसको आपको comment box पे लिखना है, ठीक है. You need to write it in comment box. Okay. The danger signals installed at the top of the tall building are red in color. This can be easily seen from the distance because among all the colors red light is. These are the 4 options. All of you just read these options and write down in comment box what you feel what should be the right option. After that we will definitely be discussing about it. So quiz time is over. These are the some more questions to be practiced. We will write down these answers in the chat box. Fine. The first is saying, is scattered, the red light is scattered the most by smoke or fog. Is this the reason? Or the second, is scattered the least by smoke or fog? Least or most? You tell me. Is absorbed by most by smoke or fog? Or the last one is moves faster in air. ऐसा होता है क्या कि रेड लाइट बड़ा फास्ट मूव करता है एयर में? So just tell me what is the right option, A, B, C or D. Just may I have some comments please? Dakshita is saying B. Is there anyone who can answer about it? Just think about it. Waiting for others' answer. Think about it, it's not the tough question. Yeah, Dakshita, I have seen your answer. It's B. Scattered least by smog and fog. Okay, let us see the answer, and the answer is also B. The answer is also B. Duleshwar is saying B, Khushi is saying B, all of you, great. The danger signs and the signals installed at the top of the tall building are red in color because among all the colors red color is scattered least. क्यों? क्योंकि वेवलेंथ उसका ज़्यादा होता है. हमने पढ़ा हुआ था रेले लॉ ऑफ स्कैटरिंग, जहाँ पे बताते हैं क्या कि 1 अपॉन जो स्कैटरिंग होती है वो लैम्डा टू द पावर 4 के इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल होती है. क्या होती है स्कैटरिंग? आपकी इंटेंसिटी ऑफ स्कैटरिंग. ये फॉर्मूला है. अगर आपको ये फॉर्मूला पता नहीं है तो आप वो वीडियो जो डिस्क्रिप्शन में है इस चैप्टर की, आप उसे देखिएगा ज़रूर, बिकॉज वहाँ पे बहुत डिटेल में सिंपली मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है उसे. सो दिस इज ऑल एंड ऑल अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन. लेट अस मूव ऑन द क्वेश्चन नंबर नेक्स्ट, एंड इट सेज दैट रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस केयरफुली एंड चूज द इनकरेक्ट वन. कौन सा ऑप्शन इनकरेक्ट है इसमें? पहला देखते हैं, द फर्स्ट वन, when a ray of light passes through a prism, it bends toward the thicker part of the prism. ऐसा होता है क्या? The angle between incident ray, emergent ray is called angle of deviation. इन दोनों को angle of deviation कहते हैं. Is this true or not true? Incorrect find out करना है हमें, ध्यान रखिएगा, ये अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. Next, in refraction through a glass prism, the emergent ray is parallel to the incident ray. जो इमर्जेंट रे होता है वो इंसिडेंट रे के पैरेलल होता है या फिर नन ऑफ द अबव. नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू कैन गिव मी द आंसर. द राइट ऑप्शन कैन बी वन. द इनकरेक्ट सेंटेंस यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. जस्ट स्टार्ट गिविंग द आंसर ऑल ऑफ यू. अगेन आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर आंसर्स. थिंक अबाउट इट. रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस केयरफुली. Yeah, this type of questions basically demands your attention, your conceptual understanding. Okay, that's why we need to read these questions, because one of the four is incorrect. Okay, so you can write down, you can give your replies if you feel that you are right. What do you think? Khushi is saying option D, none of the above. Good. Think others are also expected. Duleshwar is saying A is incorrect, sir. When a ray of light passes through a prism, it bends toward the thicker part of the prism. ये इनकरेक्ट लग रहा है आपको? थिकर पार्ट तो प्रिज्म का ये वाला होगा ना. रे ऑफ लाइट ऐसे आता है और इस तरीके से इधर इधर 7 कलर्स बना लेता है, तो थिकर पार्ट तो ये तो सही लिखा हुआ है. फिर भी और किसी का कोई आंसर हो? इफ यू थिंक एनीथिंग, दक्षिता, वंशिका, मान्या एंड अदर स्टूडेंट दोज हु आर अटेंडिंग द लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग, जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट एंड गिव द राइट आंसर. Khushi is saying sir B option. Duleshwar is saying is A option. Let us check who is right, who is wrong here, and the A option is actually correct. Duleshwar ने पहले A option कहा, उसके बाद when I told that नहीं ये नहीं होगा, तो immediately he just changed the answer to B, but the right is A. Read the explanation, it is there in the screen, all of you. So just see this. Actually in refraction through a glass prism, the emergent ray is deviated from its original direction. इसका जो original direction होता है उससे deviate होता है. And we say that light rays get deviated on passing through glass prism. जब glass prism से light rays pass होती हैं तो वो कैसी होती हैं? Deviate होती हैं. Therefore, in refraction through a glass prism, the emergent ray is not parallel to incident ray. Okay. So this is all in all about today's quiz. Thank you all very much. With this, we are ending the quiz here, and I'm very happy that all of you participated, and the PDF will be sent to you personally. And if anyone, the student, those who will see the live streaming after recording, after publishing, they can contact me personally and they can ask for these PDFs. And also if you have anywhere any problem, any doubts, just feel free to contact. Thanks a lot all of you.